It's a hot weather, man. Alright guys, so welcome to the channel. I actually managed to sell the rims in 10 minutes. That's crazy, man. What happened was I wanted to post up on Muda, but apparently Muda doesn't allow you to post up multiple threads, you know, sales ad. So I only managed to post 2, and I thought like, okay, why not? I'm just gonna go and post on Facebook, and damn, Facebook Marketplace is like really good, man. You can post as much you want, how much you want, and people tend to believe you a little bit because they can see your profile, you know. They can see like who you are and how long your profile's been there, and they can see your picture. Unlike Muda, you literally don't know anything about that person that's going to sell the item, and people on Muda don't really put up so much details. They just put like 2JZ engine for sale. That's about it, you know. Contact for more further, and their location will be like somewhere in the middle of the Pahang jungle, right? So people start to get afraid. People start to feel nervous when they want to make the purchase. Like how I got my 2JZ rear sum, right? This guy was from Kelantan, very nice guy, very humble guy. I called him, I said, okay, let me think about it, and I think he got the idea that I was afraid. Obviously it's 1,200 ringgit, it's still money, it's a lot of money. So what he did was he video called me. He showed me all the oil sums that he had, how many oil sums. He showed me his picture. He said, I know you're afraid, don't worry, I'm a genuine buyer. I've sold multiple. He gave me proof, details, and that made me feel more confident. And I straight away transferred to him. I said, buddy, you're a nice guy, steady gila. Transfer. He shipped the next day itself, and I got it. So when I posted my rims, I had like 30 people messaging me non-stop, constantly, and I'm trying to do the video editing and all, and replying text the whole entire time. And this guy's like, bang, saya percaya you. He trusts me, and he straight away paid deposit 100 ringgit. Steady, so good, so easy, simple. I met him just now. I didn't really record video stuff and all because it's a business side, you know, sales side. I didn't want to bother him with putting a camera right in front of his face, like, hi, you know, welcome to the channel and stuff like that. So very nice guy. He's putting it on his E39. It fits E39 because the bore is actually 74mm, which suits. That's the problem though. The E90 that I had, that I'm using now, the bore size is 72. So basically the size doesn't really, like, yes, I'm not crazy. I know I'm talking to myself, but I'm actually talking to the camera. A good thing she have kids. The kids, Mars and sorry about that. One thing I love about Malaysia, everyone is wearing masks. Good. That is the proper way, you know. I mean, if you don't, that's one time I forgot to wear my mask when I was going out to pour petrol, and I just got out of the car and everyone's like staring at me, and I was like, oh, what's going on? I was like, oh shit, yeah, I forgot my mask. That is a very good practice though, guys. I'm very proud of Malaysia. I mean, from hundreds and hundreds to thousands of cases a day, and now we have like 2-3 cases in like within a month plus. That is just, you know, Dr. Hisham, you know, Dr. Hisham is like handle this, and obviously our Prime Minister Muhyiddin, he really handled this perfectly. No one can do better though, to be honest, you know. I'm really proud. Okay? I mean, I have friends from Finland and everything all telling me like, you know, buddy, man, Malaysia really did well. I was like, yeah, thankfully, you know, everyone kept and adhere to all the instruction and order. Ada lah mangkuk, some mangkuk, they still go out within the MCO, but they got caught and they are like in lockup now. So, you know, keluar lagi ke sana ke sini kan. So yeah, I saw my rims, all good, and I think I'm gonna go and get an adjustables. I just do not know which brand I want to go for. There's cheap brands like Mines and D2 and, you know, Gap is well known. I mean, Gap is not the best. It's Taiwan made probably, but it's still well known. Brands that has been in the market for 10-15 years is brands where you can account for. You know they've been there. It's because their quality is there, and definitely their customer service is there. If not, they won't last that long. And BC Racing is the one that I really want. Yes, uncle, I'm not crazy. I'm talking to the camera. BC Racing is the one I really want. I want a high-low and soft hard, definitely. You know, I want where it's not too hard, because it's a daily driven car. You know, I don't want to be sitting and driving through the Sahara Desert, you know, jumping around and everything. Yeah, I don't want that. I like cars that is comfortable, fast. You know, that's why my friends like, you know, why didn't you just get a Wira and rentongkan the whole body and slap in a Evo 3 and call it a day? Yeah, but I've done that, been there, done that. I'm old, guys. I'm 32, and I need a car where I can drive with the comfort of air conditioner, radio to listen to. That's why my S4 had really smooth sound. You know, it's I was selling my S4 earlier, and a lot of people was like, you know, your exhaust is very smooth and quiet. I mean, for an S4, I was like, yeah, because cars like this, it's not supposed to go prang. You know, you're not supposed to have all that raps. You know, you want something smooth. You want a car that sounds just nice and is fast. You know, no point having all the sound in the world, but you're hardly moving. You know, right? You guys get it? Ricer. Yeah, I don't like that. Anyways, boys, I'm gonna go and get my bulbs exchanged for my kitchen. I'm gonna go and check out certain more shops. I don't have enough sleep, so yeah, sorry about that, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Ciao, boys. Hey guys, I am going to review 3 items today. I just got them yesterday night from Shopee. Yeah, apparently Shopee is like sending parcels up to like 10-11 night, man. That's crazy. I mean, you can see from there how many people are actually ordering online, and man, I'm just surprised though. Most of the time, latest I used to receive items was 5+6. You know, when I used to call them, they're like, oh, it's already past 6. I don't think anyone's gonna deliver any items. But now it's like 9:30, you get a notification like, we are on the way to deliver your item. Like, is this a typo? But they actually do. So alright, these parts I got from Shopee. I'll put down the link in the description so you guys can check it out as well. So let's get to it. Hey guys, alright, I got some items arrived today. Ow. So this is a pry bar. It's a 4-pieces set that I got from Shopee. So it's very good. So if you guys are wondering what a pry bar is to pry stuff. So bapak dah keras. Okay, this is really hard, and I don't want to hurt myself. Alright, we'll get back to this later. Okay, this one is easier. So it's a 45-degree angle, I think. 30-degree angle. It's not sharp, which is good, because you don't want this part to be sharp. Alright, you don't want it scratching any part. Let's say if you were to remove your oil sum and oil pan and stuff like that, you want to make sure that, you know, you pry but you don't scratch anything. You know, it's really not sharp at all anywhere though. Even this part here, the sides, everything. Oh, this is really good though. No wonder it's expensive. I saw there's a cheap one, but I was like, nah, you know what, I'm gonna get a real quality one. And this thing is actually molded inside the steel itself. That's like bars I saw they put it, and yeah, so it will last. And plastic is solid as well. Something I know wouldn't really slip out. You know how you use your screwdriver and after a while this thing all just goes off. So yeah, that's good. I love it. I got a big one as well. It's really long, you know, It's very, very useful, like to remove and pull stuff. Trust me guys, this thing is the one thing that you really need if you're working on your engine. Let's put this aside. Next, so I have no idea what this is, so let's check it out together. Alright, so it's a mess. But what do you expect, right? Shopping, not shopping, sorry, shipping and stuff like that. So yeah, I will have to rearrange it. It's fine on this side, but it doesn't lock into place from this area, but it does on this side. This side's all locked. So yeah, that's kind of cool at least. So I'm just gonna like store it. Well, good thing is that you don't really need to like clip it and unclip it. You can just like pull it up, as long as you put it on the right direction towards the gravity on this side down. Yeah, you're fine. Nothing's gonna move really. So I got all the torque bits as well. This one is basically for the Bosch screwdriver. It's a ratchet one, so this one would really help me in doing everything that I need. It comes with triple square as well. As you can see, it's a triple square. There's torque. There's all type of bolts that I will ever need. There's a punch hole as well. So this is basically like every type of bolt that I will ever need. So yeah, this is really useful. I have no idea why this is like that. Is it a drill bit? No, I don't think it's a drill bit though. But I think it's probably just to, I don't know, clear stuff or whatever. But yeah, doing your car, you want to make sure that you have the proper tools, you know. I mean, some people are telling me like, dude, you know, why are you spending so much on tools? You know, you could have got like a GDX 4592 or something like that, or 09. Why waste money on this? Well guys, truth is, this thing will help you work on your vehicle so much more easier. And these are just cheap ones, you know. I'm not even talking about the ones that cost like way much more. Without tools, we can't do nothing, yeah guys. Now, oh, tap and die set. Alright guys, let's open it up. I feel like it's all broken into pieces. The box, as you can see how flimsy it is. I mean, this is what happens when you buy from China, you know. Like unlike the Bosch, you can feel how the box was the other day. Ta-da! Alright, everything looks messed up. Quality, yeah, looks like someone used it before. I don't know why you can move this side as well. Oh, okay. And then, okay, I think this is to put it here, and I think this one is to, yep. That's not supposed to happen, right? Hold on, my bad. Let's put it back in place. Just slide in there. Yeah, it can. Okay, apparently that's the most I can go. All right, so that's the most for this side, and I thought it was supposed to be more centered though. That way you can, you know, centralize the lock much more better. Yeah, no, it doesn't though. It doesn't move on this side. So okay, it's fine. This one is probably this thread to put in here, so you can lock it. You see how there's a groove here? Alright, this groove is basically where you're gonna like set it inside.
this thing is quite good though. I mean, smooth play at all. Alright, so you want to make sure that you're set in the groove. Only problem is you can't find where the groove is, so I'm just gonna like remove the whole thing out, and then there you go. Now I can find the groove in. Alright, it's set in place. This is not one of the best ones, guys, you know. It's not meant to like work really well, but let's see. Let's straight a line. Alright, you know what, enough playing. Oh, this one is really cool though. This basically tells you like what metrics are they. So for example, like you want to know the tooth size and stuff like that. Yeah, this is what you use. See, that's kind of cool. From that way you can figure out like, oh okay, this bolt used to use like a 0.9, a 0.9 or 125, you know. I'm pretty sure the 2JZ Awesome is M12 125. So yeah, as long as it's an M12 and then you see, oh okay, it's a 125 groove, so all you got to do is find a M12, this M6 1.0, M8. You know, you guys get the idea, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this. I'll probably arrange it later on. I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me arranging. So yeah, that's it. Actually, that's all I received last night, you know, surprisingly. Anyways guys, I'll put down the links for all these parts that you guys want. Quality wise, I'm not very happy, to be honest, but as long as it works, it should be fine. This one, I'm pretty sure it works, so it's fine. This one, yeah, this I like. This I really like. The packaging is shit, actually, to be honest. It's crap. It's all broken apart. But you know what? Don't matter as long as it works, right, boys? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, boys.